Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check Roku model and firmware, then enable AirPlay in settings. Make sure your iPhone or iPad and Roku are on the same Wi-Fi network so discovery works. Sign into the same Apple ID on iOS when prompted. This simplifies device pairing and permissions. Once done, open Control Center on your iOS device to confirm the AirPlay icon appears. This step prevents connection issues and speeds up subsequent pairing. Now perform the streaming action. Play the video or app content on your iPhone, then tap the AirPlay icon either within the app's playback controls or in Control Center. Choose your Roku from the device list. The name matches what you see on the Roku screen. If prompted, enter the 4-digit code shown on the TV to confirm the connection. Make sure to keep the iOS device within Wi-Fi range. Interruptions often stem from weak network signal. Complete the session by using your iPhone to pause, seek, or stop playback. AirPlay mirrors playback controls to the Roku. When finished, open Control Center and tap the AirPlay icon to switch back to your device or disconnect. If the stream doesn't start, restart the Roku and iOS device, confirm both are on the same network, and disable VPNs or guest Wi-Fi isolation. These often block discovery. One key tip: update Roku firmware and iOS before troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.